okokuqala ngithanda ukuxolisa ukuthi sithathe isikhathi angoba icala bazoqhubeka okanye lingene namhlanje kanti-ke inkantolo yasho-ke okanye ujaji yasho ukuthi sike saba nomhlangano okhona mayelana-ke nabameli babamangalelwa ngasese mayelana nokuthi-ke leli cala lizoqhubeka kanjani. Thank you, my Lord.
The reason why I'm appearing today is because my colleague, Judge Maumela, is not available due to ill health and may not be available for a long time, subject to what his medical doctors may say.
Manje-ke esona sizathu-ke esenza ukuthi ngivelela enkantolo ukuthi-ke ngizonazisa ukuthi lo engisebenza naye ngamanye amazwi uJudge uMaumela akekho namhlanje akaphilile futhi kubonakala kwangathi-ke kuyothatha isikhathi eloko engaphilile nje kahle ukuqhubeka ngaleli cala.
However, because of the importance of this matter and the publicity that it is getting from the media, we have made arrangements that this matter should proceed in the third term so that it can be finalized as soon as possible.
Manje ngenxa-ke yokuthi leli cala liyaphuthuma futhi-ke icala okungilona-ke ukuthi abantu bey'ndaba-ke babhekene nalo liyasakazwa ngamanye amazwi-ke ukuzama ukusheshisa-ke ukuthi liqhubeke leli cala kwamele ukuthi lizophinde lingene okanye liculwe kule term yesithathu.
For that reason, the matter is not going to proceed today. It was scheduled to proceed from today, I think, until about Thursday. Yeah.
Ngaleso sizathu-ke icala ngeke likwazi ukuthi liqhubeke namhlanje. Kwahloswe-ke okanye la libekelwe ukuthi liqhubeke ukusuka namhlanje ukufika ngolesine.
The witnesses will be excused. The state indicated that it's not necessary for me to warn those witnesses to appear on the date on which this matter will be postponed to.
Manje ofakazi abakhona la enkantolo bona bangavele bayihambele. Umbuso-ke okanye umshushisi uyitshelile inkantolo-ke ukuthi asikho-ke isidingo sokuthi ofakazi baxwayiswe ukuthi bavelele la enkantolo mhlawumbe ngalelo suku-ke icala lizobe lihlithiselwe kulo.
And I think that same applies to the defense witnesses. Is there any witness that of the defense that would like me to warn?
None, my lord.
None, my lord. There were no witnesses. Thank you.
None, my lord.
Thank you very much. May all the accused stand up. Your matter is postponed to the 17th of July. The trial will proceed from that date. It may proceed for the whole term, for the whole of the third term.
Manje icala lihliselwa emuva-ke ukufika ngeyi-17 July 2023 kanti-ke ngoba-ke inkantolo isishilo ukuthi leli cala-ke liyoqhubeka-ke kule term yesithathu futhi libekelwe-ke ukuthi ukusuka ngeyi-17 zikaJulayi liqhubeke lithathe yonke leyo term yesithathu.
And the accused will remain in custody.
Abamangalelwa-ke bayohlala bengaphakathi bona.
And I can just add that the leadership of this court and the legal representatives are making arrangements so that this matter, the trial, should proceed on the 17th of July.
Kanti-ke amahlelo azokwenziwa ukuqinisekisa-ke ngempela ukuthi icala leli maliphindele enkantolo ngeyi-17 ngempela liyoqhubeka lelo cala.